Today what we're going to work on is how to make an effective PowerPoint for a class. I know you guys are beginning a project with it, so we're going to open up the PowerPoint uh, product, and I'm just going to look through the different ones and say, oh, what do I want to use as my basis? And well, you know what? Maybe I'll go with this one. So I'll choose that. That'll become the basis. Now we have a couple rules that we want to remember when we're doing a PowerPoint. We want to make sure we have a title page. So this one's going to be imperialism, if I could spell it right. And we'll say that as that. We don't need a subtitle. And what we like to do is on every slide, I want you to remember 3 rules. Okay, the 3 rules are, number 1, we want every slide to have a title. Number 2, we want to remember a 6x6 rule, where we don't have any more than 6 bullet points with 6 words per bullet. Sometimes you'll go over. We don't want blocks of type. And we want an image on every page. So here's what we're going to do is we're going to go insert, we're going to go photo. These are from pictures that I've already selected. And we'll go to my category of imperialism, U.S. imperialism, and there's a cartoon. We'll put that up there. We're going to put that up there. And this shows U.S. imperialism. And we're going to put a date on it for a subtitle, 1890 to 1915. Okay? So that's our title slide, right? And then what we're going to do is we're going to insert a new slide. So we hit insert, we hit a new slide, and we're going to talk about reasons for imperialism. And we're going to add some text here. And the first one we're going to add is, one of the reasons is military and political reasons. Okay, and then what we're going to do is we're going to add another term here. We're going to say economic reasons. The third one is going to be cultural reasons. And you know what? It might be good to have a picture on that one. Now we could have more than one picture, but I've got one picture ready, so I'm going to go input photo, picture from file, and then I'm going to go slide down to U.S. imperialism again, and I'm going to put U.S. helps others. And that slide's going to show the benefits to other countries. Now, so we have those 3 reasons, and what we're going to do is you may want to add a subtopic. Okay, so we might put that as expand our bases, increase influence in other parts of the world. Oh, let's see. We want to make sure that's not a capital, so we're going to change that back to undo that. Okay? But we want to be careful. The whole point is when you present, you're going to present. You're not going to just put blocks of type up there. Okay? But, you know, you're going to explain it more. What we can also do is things like have things come. We go to animations, and we can have them come at different times so that as we hit our buttons, they will appear in an order that works for us. Sometimes you can also, and I'm going to save this as I'm working on it. I'm going to call it PowerPoint demo. Okay, I'm going to save it, and we get, you know, the key to this is pre-planning it. Notice how I knew what I was going to write, and notice how I knew what images I'm going to use. So I'm going to insert one more slide, and I'm going to call it the Panama Canal. I'm going to show you one little thing that you guys have to decide about this. So I'm going to insert images into this. Now I have one photo that I picked out already of the Panama Canal. going to put it over here. But you know what I might also put here? If I could find a slide, a map of showing where the Panama Canal is. And then I could put text in saying why the Panama Canal. I can go insert text box and make, if I want to do that way, make a text box and say Panama Canal built by U.S. land taken from, wherever it was taken from. You have to research that. So these are the tricks you can use, but what do we want to remember? Let's go back to this slide because it illustrates it best. Title, one image, bullet points. When you present, you'll fill it in. No more than 6 bullet points and 6 words per bullet. All right? Hopefully that helps you guys. Take care. If you have any questions, see me.